Welcome to another episode of What Will He Do? Hey, I'd just like to thank you for coming. Now, let's enjoy the ride. Now, I want you to take a good close look at what I'm about to drive over. It's just a little pile of dirt, but hey, it is what it is. Some of you might be wondering why I'm struggling. But that's alright, it'll all become clear real quick.
Chipping today. You probably thought I was trying to show off the suspension, but I was towing a wood chipper through the woods. Ranger on the job. The SPEED UTV was built to work.
Now this sweet little old lady here is my Aunt Lucy. She's got the Krupp curse and doesn't know how to sit still and not work. So here, I gotta replace these cutting knives. They're getting dull. It's just bogging the machine down. We got the chipper blades pulled. One and two. Now I just got to ask the question. What do you do with your SPEED UTV? I got my SPEED toolbox out. I'm taking care of chainsaws, chippers. You know, I'm fixing stuff. Living the American dream. Hell yeah. So I'd just like to say thank you for watching these videos. Please like and subscribe, because I sure could use the help. It ain't easy making sure is fun seeing y'all's responses. So join me next time if you want to see what Willie do.